Hello everyone, here is the presentation of our project. Have you ever met this kind of condition? Want to go out shopping and cannot find your wallet? Actually, our study on this technology can solve this problem perfectly. The ultra-wide bandwidth locating technology. We mainly introduced 7 parts of our project. First, we start with the project introduction. If you want to find your wallet accurately, locating indoor is an important part. Among various indoor localization technologies, our group has studied the UWB technology, which has the advantages of very high communication rates and more accurately positioning compared with other technologies such as WLAN and Bluetooth. However, there are many different algorithms of UWB technology. As a result, our team studied several different UWB algorithms and selected 4 of them for further study. We mainly used 2 hardware devices. One is the POSIXy and another is Raspberry Pi. POSIXy is a device that could be used for providing accurate positioning motion information. Raspberry Pi can be seen as a small-sized computer for computing and programming in languages.
The first method is called novel transliteration method for TOF. TOF, time of flight, is a kind of positioning method that mainly rely on two-way region. In reality, TOF is mainly used to get the distance between the target and the entrance. The transliteration method is used to estimate the receiver location. By solving this distance, we go through TOF, that is, using the distance as the radius and the entry position as the center to draw the circles, and the target can calculate by solving the intersection point of all the circles. Ideally, the circles will intersect at one point, which means the position of the target can be calculated easily. However, if there are some error or noise, like the figure shown on the left, we have to design an algorithm to find 3 optimized points, like A1, B1, and C1, and estimate the target location and the center of the region constructed by these 3 points. We also upgrade this method to 3D space. As you can see, we use the distance and the radius and the entry position as the center to draw the spheres, and the target can be estimated by solving the intersection point of all the spheres, ideally, or estimate the point and the center of the region constructed by the optimized point that are found by the algorithm.
The second method is the least square method. The least square method also uses the distance from the target to the base station, easily obtain the unknown position and minimize the sum of the square error between the obtained position and the actual position. This algorithm has a low complexity. It's a simple, fast, and low cost. Another way is using TDOA hyperbolic position. This method is used to measure the time difference between the signal from the mobile target to the 2 base stations. As we can see in the figure, we can draw a hyperbola based on the distance difference between the BS1 and the BS2. Each point on the hyperbola represents that have a same distance difference between the 2 base stations, so that the intersection of the 2 curves is the position we want to know. For a moving target, to measure the distance difference for series time, we can calculate the way the target moves or the phase.
The final method is machine learning method. We use the method called multi-layer perception using coordinate detection and noise mitigation. The values of for distance between target and anchors are features of the machine learning model. In our design, the neural network was trained using 70% of data gathered and then tested with remaining 30%. You can see the result in the chart. We use mean square error as an estimator to evaluate the performance of 4 methods. For transliteration and least square method, they are more fast and more accurate, but for way when the equivalent can only provide the difference in the distance, we can use this method. For machine learning method, it requires lots of data, but it can provide best performance. Thank you for watching.